On behalf of the government and people of the Republic of Uganda, I extend our deepest respect to the Netanyahu family, to the families of all those who perished, and to the people of the State of Israel. May their memories continue to inspire future generations in the pursuit of peace, justice, and human dignity. We also recognize today the Ugandan soldiers who fought valiantly that day in what they believed was a justified cause. Of course, today we know that the government of Idi Amin, which they served, was a brutal dictatorship which did not represent the Ugandan people in any way. Distinguished guests, the events that unfolded here in July 1976 remain one of the most significant episodes in modern history. They occurred during one of the darkest periods in our country's history. Today, however, Uganda is a constitutional democracy committed to peaceful coexistence and constructive engagement with the international community. The friendship between Uganda and Israel extends well beyond the events of 1976. Our two countries have enjoyed good relations for a long time now, founded on mutual respect and practical cooperation. Israeli experts made important contribution to Uganda's early national development in areas such as agriculture, infrastructure, education, healthcare, and defense. This historic old Entebbe terminal has become an important place of remembrance for Israelis, Ugandans, and visitors from around the world. It reminds us not only of the tragedy that occurred here, but also of the remarkable journey our two nations have undertaken. From a painful chapter in our history to a partnership characterized by mutual trust, respect, and cooperation. Distinguished guests, monuments are more than stone and bronze. They preserve memory, teach history, and inspire future generations. This monument, therefore, carries significance far beyond commemorating one brave individual. It honors the universal values of courage, sacrifice, and service. Furthermore, it shows that nations can confront painful history with honesty while choosing reconciliation over resentment.
Alice helped me to receive UPC. I would drive with her in my pickup, going to all these places, to Kanoni, to negotiate for the land. Then I went to Ruvindi to buy some poles there. And then the UPC sent, there was one UPC man whom they sent from Baruli to come and check on me at Rwachtura. And they found that I was busy making plan for the house, So they made a cartoon in their paper. They had a paper called The People. Said they took my photograph when I was driving a pickup. Said, pickup more comfortable than the bush. They put it in, making fun of me. So because of that, I always remember her as one of the people who helped me to confuse UPC. Then she now added another contribution. After her O-level, she went to Nairobi and he joined Mama Janet and helped in looking after our children, Muhoozi, Natasha, Patience, Diana. They were there in Nairobi together from when she had finished O-level. She